हेलो एवरीवन, आज हमारा लेक्चर्स 13 का पार्ट 2 है। इस लेक्चर्स में हम लोग न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन अनसिमेट्रिकल ईथर पढ़ेंगे। बहुत ही छोटा लेक्चर है, जल्दी से हम लोग ख़त्म करते हैं ये लेक्चर्स को। न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस ईथर्स टेक प्लेस बॉन्ड ड्यू टू ब्रेक CO's bonds, breakings of CO, carbons oxygen bond in a two way. Carbons and oxygens bonds breaks in the two way. First one is first bond, second bond. First is this plus break and this one is break. So first of all, part 1 break is breaking of bond 1. Then nucleophile connect with anion, nucleophile attack with electrophiles, and this is all break 1. Then this one is attack to a oxygen, breaking of bond 2. Then you break to the ROH and RU, breaking of 2. 3 केस होता है इसमें, 3 केस. First case, if both alkyl groups are the primary, then reactions is SN2. Nucleophile of the reagent attack on the alkyl groups having the lesser number of carbon. When you both side of the oxygen is alkyl groups, primary alkyl group, then SN2 reaction is follows. In the SN2 reactions, less numbers of carbons is present on this side of oxygen attack with nucleophile, and this side is hydrogen. So this formations and this formation alcohol, and this was nucleophile. Nucleophile something, anything. In case 2, if one of the alkyl group is tertiary, then mechanism is on. If oxygen is one of the sides is tertiary alkyl halide present, then follow the SN1 reactions. SN1 reactions follow, then you tertiary alkyl halide connect with a new nucleophile, and then you OH connected. And the third case, if one of the alkyl groups and the others are aryl group, then the reactions may be SN1 and SN2 depending upon the nature of alkyl group. If oxygen one side and other side is alkyl or aryl groups is present in, so then natures of bond, natures of alkyl group depend upon which reaction is goes, SN1 or SN2. So depending upon the natures of alkyl group, so this one, this is alcohol, मतलब aryl alcohol, and this is a nucleophile. So this is the whole chapter, very short, or this is the part 2. So this is not important, but at least chemicals reactions is the important, that's why this one is the importance. So thank you, bye. Good you, meet you in the next video.